Welcome to Goshen Commons. We are in a popular and delightful community with an ideal location right across from Chester County Hospital, and we're just a short jaunt away to the borough. This sweet little home is so fresh, bright, and clean. You're not going to have to do a thing but move right in. But wait, there's more. This little gem of a house has so much extra space in the basement that you can set up a children's play area. You can use it for entertaining, yoga, whatever suits you.